Hello student, welcome to Math Master Class in Nice Math Olympiad problem. In this problem we are finding value of a when a into power a is equal to 18. Now we are starting our solution. Our question is a into power a is equal to 18. Now we are finding a is equal to unknown. Then if a is equal to 1, that a into a is 1 into 1 is equal to 1, that is less than 18. If a is equal to 2, a into 2 is equal to 2, that is less than 18. This will be a is if a is 2, then b this a2, that is 4 greater than less than 18. 3 into 3 is equal to 27, that is greater than 18. So now we are finding our question. First we put ln into both sides. After putting ln both sides, we get ln a into power a is equal to ln 18. Now student, we use this formula. L into n, m into power n is equal to n lm m. So we are using this formula. The same move into this side. So a ln a is equal to ln 18. Now ln a into a is equal to ln 18. So ln a into e, because of a is equal to e ln a, e ln a is equal to ln 18. Now apply Lambert W function. After applying this, we get w into m into e power m is equal to m. Now w is e into ln a into e ln a is equal to w into ln 18. Now ln a is equal to w into ln 18. So this will be e ln a is equal to e into w into ln 18. Now uh, this will be a is equal to e ln a, and this will be, recall this formula, and we get a is approximately equal to 2.8036632446. This is our value of a for this Olympiad math problem. This is very complex math. A is approximately equal to 2.803663246. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more interesting math problems. If you have any question or suggestion, write in comment box. Goodbye.